In the pursuit of a luxurious home environment, one might think an impressive budget is a prerequisite. However, turning an ordinary space into one of unparalleled elegance doesn't necessarily demand a hefty price tag. Welcome to our guide on how to infuse your home with affordable elegance, seamlessly integrating style and sophistication without stretching your wallet. The secret to creating an expensive look lies in the meticulous art of transformation through detail. An often overlooked area is the color palette. Neutral hues, such as shades of cream, soft grays, and whites, create a clean foundation. These colors reflect light and lend an air of understated elegance to any room. They also provide a perfect backdrop for bolder accent pieces. With the walls and larger pieces set, consider lighting. Lighting fixtures hold the power to dramatically change the perceived opulence of a space. Choose statement fixtures, not by their price, but by their impact. Antique or vintage chandeliers can often be sourced from secondhand stores or flea markets, offering unique character and uniqueness to your home. Additionally, strategically placed string lights or sheer lampshades can introduce warmth and focus, elevating the ambiance effortlessly. Moving to textiles, luxury communicates through touch as much as sight. Opt for high-quality fabric in key areas. Velvet, silk, or linen drapes, and textured throw pillows can introduce richness and depth into a living space or bedroom. A plush area rug with intricate patterns can harmonize the overall visual appeal, anchoring the room in elegance. Art and decorative objects contribute significantly to the aesthetic elegance of your home. Art need not be costly. Prints and photographs can significantly elevate visual interest when tastefully framed. Consider creating a gallery wall with frames of varied sizes and styles to infuse personality and interest without overwhelming the budget. Sculptures or tasteful ceramics can provide a focal point on coffee tables or bookshelves, adding layers and intrigue to any room. Incorporate greenery as a budget-friendly strategy to breathe life and freshness into your home. Carefully selected plants, like succulents or ferns, in chic pots, make both economical and stylish additions. Their inviting presence, coupled with natural textures, harmonizes spaces, making them look more curated and cultivated. Finally, pay attention to decluttering and organization. A sophisticated home exudes order and intentionality. Invest in stylish storage solutions that not only serve utility functions, but also contribute to the overall aesthetic. Think of baskets made from natural fibers or sleek boxes as decorative tools, as well as organizational aids. Achieving a clean and organized space ensures that every elegant touch is noticeable and appreciated. In sum, luxury need not elude those constrained by budget. Through strategic color choices, clever lighting, textured textiles, thoughtfully curated art, vibrant plants, and organization, any home can extend the air of grandeur synonymous with expensive abodes. Elegance, after all, is not about the cost, but the mood it evokes and the experience it creates. With these insightful tips, embark confidently on your journey to transform your home into a bastion of affordable elegance. If you love these hacks, subscribe and like for more hacks.